This is what I love most about mornings in the country. Oh, I love this place. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Santa's Workshop. As you see, I brought in the donor truck. I'm going to get this front end stripped down. We're going to get this motor transmission pulled out to go in there. Yes, it is getting near that time. I've got the tracking number for my motor mounts, so they should be in any day. And let me tell you a little bit about this truck. It belongs to a really good friend of mine named Jeff. His dad bought this truck brand new. This truck has been well loved, well maintained, but you see that it fell victim to a storm, a hydroplane, a little bit of a heavy winds. She thinks it might have been a small tornado. Flipped her around, hit a concrete embankment on the interstate, and it has tweaked the frame. Can it be fixed? Yes, at great expense. But I really think it would probably need a new frame for it. Because the way it's tweaked, I don't know if it could ever be right. You can see the way this fender is buckled. It buckled by being pushed over this way. So the frame is over this way, and it is back as well. I offered him a certain amount. He agreed, just because it is his dad's vehicle, motor, transmission is going in my dad's. So I hope to have him on the channel off and on, helping me out with it, just because it's going to be a labor of love. But we're going to get to this and get it tore down. That way I can have the motor and transmission out, sitting here ready to go into this before I bring in my new project pickup. And that new project pickup, that's going to be a long-term build, but it's going to be very interesting. So stick with me on that. You're going to love it. Got a lot of things planned for it. Got a lot of things planned for this. Well, we're going to, when we get the money to get on that, and then eventually we're going to do some fun stuff with that. So, while I've got you here, Cars and Coffee at Paul's Valley, August 21st, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m., Wacker Park. Don't forget that. I'll have a link to that. And also, if you haven't thought about it yet, it's time to book Santa. So let's get on this. Let's get busy. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. The heartbeat for the Jolly Hauler. Sometime today, my motor mounts are supposed to be in. Let's hope they're the right thing, because I don't want to wait another 2 months for them. I went ahead and undid the torque converter bolts while I was underneath. That way I can just unbolt the transmission from the engine, pop them apart, put the transmission on the engine stand, or not the transmission, engine on the engine stand. I'd like to get another engine stand to put the transmission on it, just so I can rotate it and clean it and everything else. This is a running, driving, good running motor. Jeff and his dad took very good care of it, and I thank them for giving me this opportunity to use it. But it's going to look a whole lot different when it goes into that Jolly Hauler. Got aluminum intake, and a lot of the intake bolts were loose, so I am going to go ahead and pull the intake and put a new gasket kit on that. I mean, I'm this far down, I might as well. It don't cost that much. New timing chain, of course. Going to do center dump hugger headers, because going into this frame, it's going to be tight. But I've got my motor. Now I got to clean up again. Dadgummit. Ho, ho, ho. It's mail call time. Santa got presents. Let's see what we got today. Both of these are from Amazon. And let's see. Oh. Chad Bain. Thank you, Chad. Looks like we have us a Mustang flag. Let's see. 3x5 polyester banner with brass grommets. Let's open it up and check it out. Oh yeah. Mustang, the legend lives. That is cool. Chad, thank you. I want to find a good spot to hang that one. And let's see what else we got. I think it's time to sharpen my knife again. And we got two Dodge Scat Pack 3.5. And a Cummins turbo diesel flag. Oh, that's cool. Let's see if we find out who this one's from. Well, there's another paper. Hello, Santa. I'm a new subscriber and thought your shop could use some banners. I sent you some of your cars and I added one in of my own. I just bought a 2021 F8 Green Charger Scat Pack wide body. Keep up the good work. From Chad. So Chad, I think you sent both of these. My man, thank you so much. That is so awesome. We're going to have to open these up and check them out here real quick. Hang on. Now the Cummins banner, that's really cool. I don't know if y'all can see this. I think this shows what it is. Cummins turbo diesel. Oh yeah. Check that out. Oh, that's cool. And I want to see the Scat Pack one. Oh, check that out. Super B. Oh, those are awesome. Once again, Chad, thank you. And if it's a different Chad from the first one, thank you both. We're going to get this thing cleaned up, get that engine on the engine stand. We're not going to do that in a video. Probably next video you see, I'll be going to get the new project. So thank you for sticking with me. Hopefully by the time this video comes out, I will have hit 15,000 subscribers. I would like, it would be wonderful if y'all could help me out and get me 25,000 by Christmas. That's my goal. That's what I'd like to see. But hey, what happens, happens. I'm tickled to death. Thank y'all so much. Please like, subscribe, send me those comments, send me an email, send me something at my daggum post office box. I love letters. I want to hang them on the office walls. Y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time at Santa's Workshop. Okay, Chad, what do you think? I think those look pretty darn good up there. Thank you again.